Welcome to our Scandinavian-inspired bathroom makeover. Today, we'll show you how to transform this ordinary bathroom into a stunning Scandi Oasis. We'll be using a range of key components to achieve that sleek and minimalistic look. First, let's start with the foundation. We'll be using light wooden flooring to add warmth to the space, and white tiles for the walls to create that classic Scandi brightness. Next up, our focal point, the freestanding bathtub. It's all about clean lines and simplicity. This white freestanding tub is both functional and elegant. For the shower, we're installing a sleek walk-in shower with glass dividers. This not only maximizes space but also adds a modern touch. Now, let's talk about the vanity area. We've chosen a floating vanity with minimalist lines, a vessel sink, and round mirrors. These elements together create a harmonious and functional space. To accentuate the vanity and shower, we've picked brushed metal fixtures and minimalist lighting. They complement the clean design perfectly. Storage is essential in any bathroom. Here, we've added a storage niche in the shower area and tall storage cabinets for towels and toiletries. Adding a touch of luxury, we've incorporated natural stone accents on the countertops. Textured rugs on the wooden floor provide comfort and style. For comfort, we've installed underfloor heating, ensuring a cozy atmosphere. And don't forget the towel warmer for those warm, fluffy towels. To bring life to this space, we've added some greenery with potted plants. Scandinavian art pieces adorn the walls, and a freestanding stool adds versatility. Lastly, we've incorporated a sliding barn door. It's a functional and stylish way to separate spaces while maintaining the Scandi aesthetic. And there you have it, a Scandinavian-inspired bathroom using these key components. Simple, functional, and stylish. Thanks for joining us on this journey.